Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use voice typing to text on WhatsApp on iPhone. So when I'm try to voice text hello, but not showing it to this option. So I'm provide how can easily fix. So open your settings, scroll down, press on general and showing it to keyboard option. Just open this, then showing it to enable direction. Make sure to turn on. Okay, and I'm try this, then showing it to microphone option. Hello, how are you? And you just easily voice typing hello. So that's it.